Today finally we have come to this ninth chakra, the seventh chakra. People say there are 9 chakra because few of the chakra within us, we have combined them into one chakra. So Sahasrahara chakra is the last chakra located on the top of our head. And it has got 1000 petals. So as we are coming up from one chakra to another, we are realizing a different aspect of ourselves. So to recap, in Mooladhara, we realize that we have got a body. हमें पता लगता है कि we are born with a body. Actually we are just consciousness. Actually हमारा जो रियल तत्व है, हमारी सच्चाई केवल 3 शब्द में बयान हो सकती है. We are सत, चित, आनंद. उसके अलावा we are nothing. You can say that we are floating gas. We are just floating gas and we are just an awareness. We are just an awareness that I am. And actually we have got absolutely no attributes. जैसे शिवोहम का मंत्र है जिसमें कहते हैं I am not this, I am not this. तो actually हमारे अंदर कोई attribute ही नहीं है. We are just a conscious awareness. And why did we take birth? Because we wanted to experience. कि चलो let me experience. So for this experience we created life. But since nothing can be created out of nothing, so that is why to create ourselves, we created a plus and a minus. Only when there is a plus and minus, only then you can create something out of nothing. Out of zero, if you want to create something, you have to create a plus 3, minus 3, plus 10, minus 10. That is why there was good, evil, light, dark, happiness, sadness. So to experience anything, we had to experience the other thing. आज हम अपने आप से पूछते हैं कि जिंदगी में दुख क्यों होता है? आज अगर भगवान ने ही अपने आप को जन्म दिया तो इतने दुख क्यों दिए, इतने गम क्यों दिए? कोई खुशी भी तो दी ना? तो दोनों चीज दी. एंड आपको खुशी पता ही नहीं लगेगी अगर आपको गम नहीं होगा पता. अगर जिंदगी में ओनली खुशी होती तो हम सब सुसाइड की तरफ भागते. बिकॉज छोटे छोटे बीच में गम है, छोटी छोटी खुशियां हैं. दैट इज व्हाई वी सी द डिफरेंस. जैसे होता है ना, यू कांट सी दैट द व्हीकल इज मूविंग अनलेस देयर इज अनदर व्हीकल व्हिच इज मूविंग एट अ डिफरेंट स्पीड. सो दैट इज व्हाई टू एक्सपीरियंस हैप्पीनेस एंड प्लेजर you had to experience this sadness. So that is how we got created. So in Mooladhara, we realize that we have got a body. In Swadhisthana, we realize that we have got a boundary. We have got an identity and we have got some boundary. In Manipur, we realize we have got a mind. We are entitled to our own opinions. So Manipur, we realize that we have got a mind. Then we come to heart. In heart, we realize that we have got feelings. We feel pain, pleasure, happiness, sadness. So in heart, we realized our senses. And in heart, we realize that we have come to share. We have come to experience. Then we come to the throat chakra. In throat chakra, we realize our self. Our entire self we realize in the throat chakra. मैं कौन हूँ? मैं क्या करने आया हूँ? What is my tattva? We realize in the throat chakra. So this is the chakra where we express our self. Whoever we are. We all are individual beings, individual gene inside, and we express in the throat chakra. Now we come to the Agnya chakra. In Agnya chakra, we start dissolving the dualities. We start realizing कि मैं जो भेदभाव देख रहा हूँ, it is just my own definition. Actually दुनिया में कोई भी भेदभाव नहीं है. There is no भेदभाव. अच्छा बुरा छोटा बड़ा, anything is just a perception of the situation. And as we dissolve the bhedbhav, our Atma and the Paramatma, they merge. So ये जो हमारी petals हैं left and right. So in Agnya chakra we are left with only 2 petals. And once the Atma and the Paramatma merge, When the duality gets dissolved, then in crown chakra we explode into being a Paramatma, into being a consciousness. Crown chakra is about dissolving all your limits. क्राउन चक्र में आकर हमारे सारे के सारे लिमिट्स जो है वो डिसॉल्व हो जाते हैं. वी हैव टू ब्रेक देम. बट व्हेन कैन यू डिसॉल्व देम? वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू लिव लाइफ. व्हाट डज दिस मीन? एक बार आपको जिंदगी के बारे में सारी समझ आ गई, यू अंडरस्टैंड लाइफ, द राइट, द रॉन्ग, योर विजडम अवेकन्स. आफ्टर दैट यू लिव विद ज्ञान. उसके बाद आपके ऊपर कोई भी लिमिट्स जो है वो एप्लीकेबल नहीं होती. दैट इज व्हाई श्री कृष्ण वाज द वन हु इंस्टिगेटेड द फाइट अगेंस्ट योर ब्रदर्स, बिकॉज ही हैड फुल ज्ञान. आदमी जब पूरे ज्ञान के साथ फैसला लेता है ही इज बियॉन्ड एनीथिंग राइट और एनीथिंग रॉन्ग. उसके पहले वी आर ऑल स्टक अप इन डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ बाउंड्रीज. सो इन क्राउन चक्र यू आर सपोज्ड टू डिसॉल्व एवरी काइंड ऑफ boundary. And crown chakra is the chakra where immense money resides. Today if you have problem making excess money, you always find that I have enough money for my daily needs. मेरा काम चल जाता है, घर के लिए, बच्चों के लिए, उस सब के लिए तो पैसे हैं मेरे पास. But wherever I want extra money or I want to see money in the bank, I don't see money. Know that your crown chakra is blocked. So all the money beliefs, they reside in crown chakra. So today we will be talking about money, about the definition of money and about how we can attract abundance and money in our life by learning the lessons of the crown chakra. So are we ready for that? Yes. So in crown chakra, this is the dwelling place of Shiv and Shakti. Both of them, they reside here. This is located exactly on the center of your forehead. And there is a 1000-petaled lotus residing there closed. The element here is think and learn. It is our right to knowledge. This chakra gets blocked because of superstitions. Because of blind obedience, it gets blocked. When the person's basic right to knowledge, he's denied that basic right to knowledge, this chakra is blocked. So what happens is, when this chakra gets blocked, and then there are few other reasons why this gets blocked. We have to know that Mooladhara chakra is our connection to our mother. It's our connection to our mother. And who is our mother? Bhumi. Today Bhumi gives us everything for survival. आज आपका रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान comes from your mother. It is her responsibility to see that आपका जितना भी basic requirement है ना, खाने की, पीने की, बच्चों के स्कूल फीस की, आपके डेट्स की, लोन्स की, that is fulfilled by mother earth. Do you feel our mother earth is providing us what we need basic? Yes or no? Yes. So mother earth is our Bhumi. And this Mooladhara chakra is one of the chakra which is only open one way because we only receive from mother earth. हम mother earth को कुछ नहीं देते, we only receive from. बाकी सारे चक्र are two-sided. You give love, you get love. You give work, you get work. You talk, you listen. So there are two-sided chakra. And the second chakra, which is only one-sided, is the crown chakra. And this is our connection to our father, Shiva. So this is mother, and that is connected to our father. Father के lessons जो होते हैं वो थोड़े tough. मदर जो होती है, माँ होती है, kind होती है, कहती नहीं बच्चे को माफ कर दो. पर father के lessons जो होते हैं वो tough है. जब हमारे को लाइफ में बड़े टफ लेसन्स होते हैं, ये करो वो करो, so what happens is that when we feel we are working very hard and we feel that we are not getting results, सबसे पहले हमारा गुस्सा लगता है my destiny, my luck, I am not getting what I deserve, hopelessness, discontentment. जब हमारे अंदर ये सब शब्द आते हैं hopelessness, discontentment. My destiny is not good. God is not supporting me. He's not helping me. मैंने उनकी इतनी पूजा की, ये किया. I'm working hard, but I don't get what I deserve. I don't get what is due to me. Understand? You're actually angry at your father. पर जैसे हम फादर पे गुस्सा करते हैं, हम गुस्से में ना अपना क्राउन बंद कर लेते हैं. छोड़ो, मुझे मुझसे कुछ नहीं चाहिए. हमें पता ही नहीं लगता है. जैसे आई डोंट गेट, हमारे वो एफर्मेशन से भी क्राउन बंद हो जाता है. वी डोंट रियलाइज. हम अंदर से कहते नहीं भगवान ने मेरे लिए किया तो है, पर अंदर से कहते बहुत मेरा अच्छा नहीं किया है. मैंने इतनी मेहनत की, मैं इतना सब कुछ करता हूँ, मैं इतनी चैरिटी करता हूँ, मैं लोगों के लिए इतना हेल्प करता हूँ, मैं इतना काइंड हूँ, मैं इतना ऑनेस्ट हूँ, मैं इतना अच्छा हूँ. पर then that anger, no, with that anger you don't realize but you block your crown chakra. आज बहुत सारे लोगों का क्राउन चक्र ब्लॉक है, but they don't realize, हमें पता नहीं लगता है, but actually it is blocked. Simple thing is, if you are not making enough money, what you feel, that abundance, the crown chakra is blocked. So basically when this crown chakra is blocked, physically what you feel, physically you feel a little dizzy, you feel disoriented in life, you have obsessive thoughts, you're all the time thinking. It can cause vertigo, it can, of course, migraines is a very severe part. Migraines is totally crown chakra blockage. At the same time, if a person has got lot of severe illnesses of the brain, like Alzheimer's or psoriasis, of the skin, it is because of crown chakra. और इमोशनली इसमें ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर होता है, डिप्रेसिव थिंकिंग होती है, होपलेसनेस एंड डिसकंटेंटमेंट मींस क्राउन चक्र ब्लॉक. इट इज अबाउट अ चाइल्ड हु इज गोइंग टू स्कूल. हिज फादर हैज सेंट हिम टू अ गुड स्कूल, हैज पुट ट्यूशन टीचर्स, द चाइल्ड इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग इन द स्कूल एंड ही सेइंग पापा सारी गलती आपकी. बट बिकॉज वी आर क्रिएटर्स, because we have to learn a very big lesson that we are creators. Even mere thinking about it closes the crown chakra. Even thinking about it. Many times we don't realize that हम actually angry हैं, but we block the crown chakra. And because it is blocked, we stop actually the divine grace coming in our life. We stop this grace coming in our life, and that is why crown chakra opens with one attitude. With one attitude, crown chakra opens, and that is gratitude. आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. There is nothing you need to do. You should just have an attitude of gratitude. Means allowing. Just allowing. We have to understand one basic simple thing. Today, to get the abundance that you deserve, today to get the wealth and all that you deserve, should you be very deserving? Should you be very qualified? Should you be working very hard? Yes or no? Yes? Ask yourself कि आज जब मैं सोचता हूँ कि I should be working very hard, I should be very deserving, I should be very qualified. So do you think that हमारे में बहुत अच्छी attributes होनी चाहिए? Only then we achieve abundance in our life. Yes? Some people are saying no, some people are saying yes. So understand that the answer is no. Your abundance is not because आप कितनी मेहनत कर रहे हो. Your abundance is not because you're very deserving, you're working very hard. Your abundance is because of who you are. You just have to allow abundance in your life. Your problem is you're not allowing abundance. We will talk about it little more. धीरे धीरे आपको समझ आएगा. उसके पहले what I was thinking is, can we do a small exercise where we come to know हमारे कौन कौन से चक्र ब्लॉक्स हैं? Yes. We have to distribute the points. So there is a questionnaire. We will answer these questions honestly, and we will come to know कि हमारे कौन से चक्र ब्लॉक है, कौन से नहीं है. Thousand petals means it shows the limit, shows the boundary, the limit, shows that.
आगे पहुँचते हैं।
You can come to our office, he'll tell you. See, because yes, but for that you need to see that you're wearing it correctly. कौन सा रुद्राक्ष पहना है? Because every रुद्राक्ष suits a person provided you're wearing it correctly. Okay? So these are few questions. You have to answer it as per the moment. Suppose इसमें लिखा है leg pain और leg pain आपको 2 साल पहले होता था. It doesn't matter. We have to see the chakra status today. Okay? And any pain or any ache will not happen every day. But if it is something that bothers you, which happens few times a week or few times a month, and it does bother you, it means that the chakra is blocked. So, let us start. We'll start with this one. Now, all these questions are there. Start answering these questions. If you feel any of the sentence here, in one sentence, if it holds true for you, tick it. So, the first question is, I feel like I don't belong in this world. I feel isolated and emotionally unstable. I feel unsupported and I feel that no one is there for me. This is the meaning. If you feel it is right for you, tick it. Second one is, I suffer from instability in life. I have to struggle. Third is, I daydream, I feel lazy, I tend to postpone. I am afraid to spend money because I think it will finish. And last is, I have pain either in the tailbone or legs or knee or bones. Quickly to the next one. I feel worthless many times. I blame myself and I feel guilty. I have a lot of anger and resentment. I have all the time very negative thoughts. This is the meaning. Next, I am afraid to cry. I repress my tears. I don't want to appear weak. I always feel like crying. I feel emotionally unstable. This is the meaning. Next, I feel insecure and afraid. Sometimes I fear there is black magic. The world is against me and there is kind of jealousy and black magic. Next, I feel it hard to experience pleasure. I feel there is no joy in life. Last, I have lower back pain or muscle pain or some kidney issues or some bladder issues or sexual issues. Now we come to the yellow one. I feel powerless a lot of time to change my life. I feel I don't have power to change my life. I have a pattern of giving my power to others. I want to avoid confrontation. I want to make others happy and I prefer to put myself second. Third, I am afraid of power. I have experienced a lot of people misusing their power. I don't want to do it. I feel anger, irritability. I feel victimized. I feel everybody is victimizing. I have acidity, indigestion, liver, pancreas, stomach related, digestion related problems. Next, I don't feel worthy of love. I don't feel I am lovable. I have a hard time expressing forgiveness. If someone does wrong to me, I just can't forgive. I am very possessive and very demanding in relationships. I sacrifice a lot for my relationships. I fear rejection. I have grief, loneliness, depression. I often have allergies like cold related allergies, chest pain, lung congestion, fever, heart, blood pressure, anything related to heart or blood pressure. Next, I keep my thoughts and feelings inside as I feel that the other person will become upset. I don't express because I feel people run away from me or they go away from me. This is the first one. Second, the first one is I am afraid to speak because I feel that the other person will become upset. I am afraid to speak what I want. I keep my words inside. Second, I feel that people don't hear me and I have a hard time expressing my ideas. I feel people don't hear me They don't understand me. I feel shy, timid to speak in public, to interact with people, and I feel low self-confidence. Next, I have either sleep-related issues like insomnia, or thyroid, or asthma, or neck pain, or shoulder pains, and or frequent sore throat. This is the last one. Frequent sore throat, sleep problems, thyroid, neck pain, shoulder pain. Next, I have a hard time seeing my life any different, and I feel that things are not going to change. I am obsessed with perfection, and I take life with ego and seriousness. If I have defined that things have to happen like this, and if they happen otherwise, I really get angry. I want my things, everything the way I want. I don't like change. I find hard to accept situations and people the way they are. I just can't accept. Next, I have violent temper. Not high temper, violent temper. I frequently experience frontal headaches. Frontal, not top of the head. It is frontal. It is not side, it is front. Frontal headache or sinus. I feel heavy in the eyes, sinus. Basically, frontal headache or sinus. Last, I feel lost and feel that nothing works for me. कुछ भी नहीं होता, मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ, कुछ नहीं होता. I think obsessively, I'm always confused, and I find it very difficult to align to people. I'm an obsessive thinker, and I always feel confused. I feel like heavens are closed for me. God is not there for me. I have a hard time feeling I receive any inspiration. I feel like I am on my own and my prayers and meditation are not heard. मैं कितनी भी पूजा कर लूँ, कितना भी प्रेयर कर लूँ, भगवान मेरी नहीं सुनता. I suffer from migraines. I suffer from anything like dizziness, vertigo, or headache, temples, pain in the temples, or it could also mean pain in the back of the neck. If you have got spondylitis, it is crown chakra blockage, spondylitis in the neck. सबका हो गया टेस्ट पेपर? ठीक है, अब अपने आप को मार्क्स दे दें. So let us start with the मूलाधार चक्र, the red one. जहां जहां आपने टिक किया है, that is your blockage. So what you do is, for every blockage, you give yourself 15 points, and for the last one, you give yourself 40 points. आज अगर आपने पेन इन द लेग्स किया है, तो आप अपने आप को 40 दीजिए, और किसी भी ऊपर को टिक किया है, अपने आप को 15 पॉइंट दीजिए और अपना टोटल लिख दीजिए. Suppose you have ticked on, I have pain in the legs. If you have ticked, give yourself 40 points. Means block है 40. And यहाँ पर if you have ticked any, give yourself 15 points. तो अगर आपके दो हैं तो 15, 15, 40, 70. Do that and give yourself points.
Nothing is ticked.
0. हाँ, पहले 4 के 15. No, last का नहीं है, because the number is different. For the next one, for every top one, give yourself 10 points, and last one, give yourself 50 points. उसके next is same like this. Mooladhara 15 and 40. Manipur is 15 and 40. Anahat is again 10 and 15. 50, 50, 50. Because you have to make a total of 100, no? 50. In Vishuddha, you give yourself 20, 20, 20 and last 40. In Agnya, it is again 15 and 40. And Kram again 15 and 40. Okay, 15, 15, 15 and then 40. I give 15. अब आपको individually देखो, individual. Okay? So let us come to the Mooladhara. Everybody has got their report cards. Now Mooladhara चक्र में आज अगर आपका only 15 है, it means that you are in a very good condition. You are quite a stable person. क्योंकि 15 is very less for Mooladhara. Mooladhara is a चक्र जो बहुत जल्दी ब्लॉक होता है, and you can say most of the people का Mooladhara ही ब्लॉक होता है. पर अगर आपका 15 से ऊपर है, what does this mean? You constantly worry about instability. You always worry about lack of money. You worry about losing your job, losing your family, losing support, losing stability. और अगर आपका 40 के ऊपर ब्लॉक है, तो it is very seriously blocked. So then you need to come for the next session, which is Mooladhara Chakra Sadhana, where you need to surrender your fears, because understand, fear से बड़ा illusion होता ही नहीं है. What is fear? Actually सोचो fear क्या है? It is something that doesn't exist. हमें जब भी fear होता है, we have for something which doesn't exist. That is why it is an illusion. What is the meaning of illusion? Whenever you give a wrong definition to something, it is repeatedly in your mind. आज अगर आपके दिमाग में कोई भी थॉट रिपीटेड आता है, यू आर नॉट एबल टू कम आउट ऑफ इट. सवेरे उठे पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है, ऑफिस जाके पैसा नहीं है, पैसा नहीं है. इट मीन्स इट इज एन इल्यूजन. इट इज अ मृग तृष्णा. इट इज लाइक अ मृग विच इज ऑल द टाइम रनिंग आफ्टर द मिराज, पर जबकि वहां पानी है ही नहीं. जैसे कि इफ देयर इज अ रोप एंड यू अज्यूम इट इज अ स्नेक, so you will be fearful because you think it is a snake. But can you kill it? Can you kill it? No, because it is a rope. So today if you have got a fear, can you kill the fear? No, because it doesn't exist. आज अगर आपके अंदर fear है कि what if I lose my job? Can you remove the fear? कोई exist ही नहीं करता ना, उसको कैसे remove करोगे? Yes or no?
Yes.
So you can't kill the snake because it is not a snake. But can you remove your fear? No, because you think it is a snake. So you can't remove the fear of not having money because you fear not having money. तो इसका एक ही solution है. Release the fear of not having money and basically you have to look at the fear. Fear जो है easily चला जाता है अगर आप उसको ध्यान से देखते हो. Because fear जो है, it is something like an illusion. It's a wrong definition. It's a rope and a snake. What if I lose my job? So what happens is, look at it. Okay, what if I lose my job? What if I lose stability? What if I lose money? Look at it. उसको देखते रहो. It will not allow you to look. आपका दिमाग इधर जाएगा, इधर जाएगा, इधर जाएगा, इधर जाएगा. It will not allow you to look at it. Meditation करो और ध्यान से उस fear को देखो. जैसे आप ध्यान से देखोगे, आपको दिखेगा वो ये तो रस्सी है. वो फियर ऑटोमेटिक चला जाएगा. पर उसको देखो. हम लोग इतना डरते हैं कि we are so engrossed in this illusion because anything that you think repeatedly like a cycle without any solution, it is a wrong definition. उसका कोई आंसर नहीं है because वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता है. So उसका एक ही solution है. उसको इतना घूर के देखो. When you look at it, आपको दिख जाएगा कि वो रस्सी है. फिर आपका illusion खत्म हो जाएगा because then you will see, come on, even if I lose my job, it's okay. I will sit for 1 month, 2 months without job. I will search for another job. It's okay. You will realize कि उतना डर नहीं है. अपने आप से पूछते रहो, ओके फिर क्या होगा, ओके फिर क्या होगा, फिर क्या होगा. लास्ट में एक छोटा सा मिक्की निकलेगा. इतना सा मिक्की वाला डर निकलेगा जो ज्यादा कुछ था ही नहीं, and you can easily fight it. But only thing is you have to look at the fear. So instability का जो डर है, you have to actually just see it. उसको आंखों से देखो. Don't run away from any fear in your life. Look at the fear and then say, I release you. I release this fear in the loving light of Mother Earth. I give it to you. और मूलाधार चक्र में there is a fear of work. There is a fear of taking challenges in life. So basically, Mooladhara Chakra sadhana mein we will learn more. But basically, you have to surrender all the fears of the sharir, because this is your sharir. Sharir ke sare dar idhar hai. Next we come to Swadhisthana, your boundary, आपकी identity. Today, अगर आपका ये स्वादिष्ठान ब्लॉक है, if it is blocked more than 10, then basically it is serious. It means that you are constantly doubting yourself. But understand, can you doubt yourself? जब आप doubt करते हो, you might be doubting your body, you might be doubting your mind, you might be doubting your senses, your actions, your behavior. But can you doubt yourself? Can you doubt yourself? उससे बड़ा क्या illusion हो सकता है? Doubting yourself means doubting God Himself. You are actually an unrealized God. You are unrealized God. You can say that yes, I didn't do proper actions at this time, I didn't take proper steps at this time, but you can't doubt yourself, know that I am not good enough. So doubting of oneself blocks the Swadhisthana Chakra. Because you doubt yourself, you don't defend yourself. आज अगर आपका 10 के ऊपर ब्लॉक है, आप खुद को डिफेंड नहीं करते हो. यू डोंट कीप योर बाउंड्रीज. आप दूसरे को खुद से ज्यादा अहमियत देते हो. फॉर यू द अदर पर्सन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट देन योरसेल्फ. यू डिपेंड ऑन द अदर पर्सन टू अप्रिशिएट यू, टू एक्नॉलेज यू, बिकॉज यू डाउट योरसेल्फ. और इसका एक ही सोल्यूशन है, यू हैव टू सी मैं अपने आप को कहाँ कहाँ डाउट करता हूँ, एंड अनकंडीशनली यू हैव टू रिलीज इट. You have to release. It doesn't matter what you have done, what were your actions. You have to unconditionally release this doubt. So Swadhisthana Chakra जब release करोगे doubt, you get settled in your being. This is the most important chakra. जब ये चक्र में settle होते हो, तब जाके actually आपकी journey शुरू होती है. Only when you settle in yourself, then only your journey will start. Till your Swadhisthana is not balanced, you will not be within yourself, you will be all the time outside. Now we come to the Manipur Chakra. How many people have got Manipur Chakra more than 10 blocks? Yes. 15, more than 15 blocks? Yes. Manipur Chakra जो है, it is a chakra जो basically prominence में आता है, you know, after the age of 30. बचपन में we can't expect our Manipur Chakra to be open, because this is the chakra where we realize total independence. It is not possible to realize total independence when we are a small child, because we know that we are dependent or we feel we are dependent. But जैसे जैसे हम grow होते जाते हैं, a time comes when we need to realize that we are totally independent. This is the chakra of the mind. आज अगर आपका मणिपुर चक्र ब्लॉक है, you lack self-respect, you lack self-discipline. Your mind is not able to control your body. You value the opinions of others more than yourself. You depend on the situations. You become dependent on others' opinions, or you become dependent on others. You lack the capacity of standing on your own and being like a son. Either you perceive people are responsible, people are dependent on you, or you perceive that you have too many responsibilities. So that is Manipur Chakra. Next we come to the Heart Chakra. How many people have got Heart Chakra more than 15 blocks? हाँ, more than 10 blocks. How many? फिर भी काफी less है, because most of the people have got Heart Chakra जो है बहुत easily block हो जाता है. It's a central chakra in our body. So heart chakra, if it is blocked, it means that you lack trust, you lack faith. So you have closed your heart chakra due to fear of being hurt, because of expectations. And we have to understand that Manipur and heart chakra are totally connected. आज आपका मणिपुर ब्लॉक होगा, हार्ट पक्का ब्लॉक है, और हार्ट ब्लॉक है मतलब मणिपुर पक्का ब्लॉक है. They are related because heart gets blocked only because of dependency. आज when we have dependency, उसी के साथ मोह होता है और उसी के साथ attachment, expectation उसी के साथ होता है. Will you ever have expectation with your neighbor? Will you have expectation with somebody living in some other country? No. So expectation किसके साथ होता है? जॉब के साथ, बच्चों के साथ. तो जिसके ऊपर हम डिपेंडेंट होते हैं या जो हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है उसी के साथ एक्सपेक्टेशन होते हैं. बट मणिपुर चक्र में भी रियलाइज दैट इट इज नॉट अबाउट डिपेंडेंसी, इट इज अबाउट joyful unions with everybody, joyful partnerships with everybody. We learn to release this ego of dependency and have joyful partnerships. Next we come to the throat chakra. Basically in throat chakra, it is a fear of expression. It's a doubt on the self. That maybe my knowledge is not complete. आज अगर आपका विशुद्ध ब्लॉक है, it means that you are doubting yourself. You're feeling that I lack wisdom. I lack enough material to converse with others. So basically here is the ego of self-doubt. To open this chakra, you have to cleanse self-doubt within yourself. You have to realize कि आपका जो container है, it already has got everything complete for you to live your life purpose. What you have to do is you have to only cleanse the container. आज इस दुनिया में you don't have to learn anything from outside. Everything is already within you. You just have to cleanse the container. तो विशुद्धि चक्र है. Next we come to आज्ञा चक्र. आज्ञा चक्र जो है, if your आज्ञा चक्र is blocked, it is most of the times this is blocked. आज्ञा चक्र भी इतना easily खुलता नहीं है. पर आज्ञा चक्र जो है, if this is blocked, it means that आपका जो डेफिनेशन है स्नेक और रोप का बहुत ज्यादा है. यू आर नॉट सीइंग थिंग्स द वे दे आर. यू आर कंटिन्यूअसली लिविंग इन इल्यूजन. बिकॉज ऑफ इल्यूजन यू आर हैविंग ईगो. अभी तो रिसेंटली कल जो दशहरा गया है, जो रावण को मारा है, किलिंग ऑफ रावण मीन्स ओपनिंग ऑफ द आज्ञा चक्र. रावण ही है जो मायावी रावण है. माया resides in आज्ञा चक्र. And when you kill Maya, is basically opening up of the Ajna Chakra, killing all the senses, all the ego, all the illusions. It's Ajna. Anybody has got crown chakra more than 15? अच्छा, Ajna Chakra more than 15. I'm asking about crown chakra. Okay. We have more than 15. Okay. पर क्या होता है, क्राउन चक्र इतना साइलेंट होता है कि आपको पता भी नहीं लग रहा है कि आपका ब्लॉक है, बट एक्चुअली इट इज ब्लॉक. सो यू डोंट कम टू नो. वो बहुत साइलेंटली आपको ज्यादा पता नहीं करता है. मूलाधार चक्र ब्लॉक होता है तो इमीडिएटली बॉडी में पेन शुरू हो जाते हैं, और क्राउन चक्र में पेन वगैरह सेटल होने में इट टेक्स टाइम. ओके, सो नाउ यू नो व्हाट इज ब्लॉक. कैन वी कम डाउन टू द अचीव विक्ट्री. सो you can keep your paper aside. Now since you know your blockage, you can work on that. If you want, you can come to me for consultation. You can wear Rudraksha or gems to open the crown chakra very fast. Or you can learn the lessons of the crown chakra. You can Google up कि crown chakra के क्या-क्या lessons हैं. You will see, oh, this is what is my fear. आप Google कर सकते हो अपने fear के लिए. Because जैसे ही आपका fear आपको दिखता है, resonance होता है, you can pull it out. So, now understand that as we said that the crown chakra gets blocked because of hopelessness and discontent. But we have to understand that today we have taken birth. We have taken birth to align ourselves with the cosmic consciousness. We have come here to experience. But in order to experience completely, we have to align to the whole cosmic consciousness and the system of the entire cosmic consciousness. तो सबसे पहले हमें अपने सारे के सारे चक्र बैलेंस करने पड़ते हैं लाइफ में. आज हम लाइफ में कंटिन्यूसली ट्रेन हो रहे हैं. Why are we having problems? Every single problem that you are having is a training that is given to you for your next evolution. The day you understand कि जिंदगी का एक एक पल पूर्ण है, every moment is पूर्ण. जो होना था वो बच नहीं सकते थे आप उससे. It had to happen. Every single situation जिसके बारे में आपको गिल्ट है, रिग्रेट है, एंगर है, ये क्यों हुआ, वो क्यों हुआ, understand every single situation is पूर्ण. It had to happen. But how to solve it? When you know that the situation had to happen, it was पूर्ण. It was पूर्ण because of the circumstances. It was complete. But the emotions that came out of that situation are teaching you something to go to the next level. Now understand this. Every situation is complete. पर उस सिचुएशन के कारण आपको दुख हो रहा है, गम हो रहा है, गुस्सा आ रहा है, इरिटेशन आ रहा है, आइडियाज आ रहे हैं. Those emotions are giving you ideas to go to the next point. So today, suppose आपके ऑफिस में कोई सिचुएशन हुई. Suppose you got scolded by the boss. Today, if you just listen to that, get angry, and just sit and do nothing, you have not utilized the purna of that situation. But today, if you see that why did he get angry? Should I have done this? Should I have reported like this? What I need to do? Do I need to reply? Do I need to clarify? Do I have to improve my communication skills? Do I need to improve my presentation skills? If you look at the solution to that problem will not happen. Otherwise, what has happened? It will just become bigger and bigger. So, if you start looking at any single negativity in your life, anything that causes you, because ultimately we are all stuck with Anand. Yes or no? Ultimately, हमारा जो true nature is truth and bliss. Today, if you are not in bliss, anything that is disturbing you, you have to understand that you have to basically look at it. What is this situation trying to teach me? And when you learn that lesson, it will take you to the next point. So regrets and doubts and negativity has to be first released from it. So basically understand that today, why do we have hopelessness and discontentment? We have hopelessness and discontentment because we are not accepting the situation as it is. We have got an illusion. We have got an illusion of attachment, illusion of possession. We basically think that, we want certain things to be the way we want. We have got a resistance to change. We have got a resistance to change. We have got a kind of illusion of possession that I possess my house, my children, my job, my career. Because of this illusion of possession, कोई भी चीज उसमें बदलती है, we don't like the change. We don't like the change. So we resist the change. So basically in Crown Chakra, we have to release the illusion of possession. We have to realize that ultimately I am a conscious. I don't possess anything. We have to understand in Crown Chakra, jitna you start connecting to your pure soul, you will start healing. You will start becoming strong. आज आप बच्चे को देखो, एक छोटा बच्चा जो है कितना एनर्जेटिकली भागता है पूरे घर में. Have you seen a small child? He is happy with himself. उसकी इतनी एनर्जी होती है उसके अंदर, लग भी जाती है, जल्दी से हील हो जाता है. Because a child is a pure soul. He doesn't identify himself as body or mind or senses. So today, more and more you connect with your soul, the more and more you will be healed. So Crown Chakra में आकर we have to realize, we have to start releasing the association. First, we have to release association with the body. Are you the body? Are you the body? Say no, I have a body, it's my tool. ये मेरा tool है, मैं इसको use करूँगा, but I am not the body. It's a realization that body is a tool. I am not the body. Then ask yourself, are you the mind? Are you your thinking? Are you your thinking? पूछो कि मैं जो सोचता हूँ क्या मैं वो हूँ? मैं कौन हूँ? क्या मैं वो शरीर हूँ? नहीं, शरीर तो नहीं हूँ, ये तो मेरा टूल है, बार बार बढ़ रहा है, धीरे धीरे बूढ़ा होके चला जाएगा, शरीर चला जाएगा, मैं तो जाऊंगा नहीं, मैं तो वापस जन्म लूंगा। तो आई एम नॉट द बॉडी, देन आई एम द माइंड। क्या मैं माइंड हूँ? पूछो अपने आप से, एम आई द माइंड? आई एम थिंकिंग, पर अंडरस्टैंड यू आर नॉट द माइंड। आपकी थिंकिंग भी तो चेंज हो रही है ना कंटिन्यूसली। सो माई माइंड इज जस्ट अ टूल फॉर यू, आई एम नॉट द माइंड। Then ask yourself, am I the senses? जो मैं टेस्ट, स्मेल, जो मैं सब कुछ टेस्ट, स्मेल कर रहा हूँ, साइड देख रहा हूँ, am I the feelings? Am I the senses? Ask yourself, am I the senses? तो धीरे धीरे realize कि no, I taste things, I see things, but I am beyond that. आज अगर मैं कुछ भी टेस्ट ना करूँ, कुछ भी स्मेल ना करूँ, कुछ भी देखूँ नहीं, कुछ भी सुनूँ नहीं, still I will exist. आज मैं सोचूंगा नहीं, फिर भी आई एग्जिस्ट। सो आई एम नॉट द बॉडी, आई एम नॉट द माइंड, आई एम नॉट द सेंसेस। तो सब कुछ निकालोगे देन हु यू आर, हु यू आर। बट देन सोल क्या है फिर? व्हाट डज द सोल डू? सोल क्या करता है? बॉडी जो है काम करता है, बॉडी पता है डू, बॉडी डू करता है, माइंड थिंक करता है, और सेंसेस जो है वो फील कराता है, प्लेजर, पेन। सोल क्या करता है? सोचो, अगर आप सोल हो, सोल क्या करता है? सोल जो है वो केवल बी है, बी, बस बी, वो बस है, ना खुशी ना गम, वो केवल है। इट इज जस्ट योर बीइंग। टुडे देयर आर सर्टेन थिंग्स इन विच यू फील आई एम नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग। सर्टेन थिंग्स दिन में, दिनचर्या में भी, या maybe there are certain activities, when you do those activities you don't feel I am doing it, that is you. आज एक तितली जब उड़ती है, क्या वो कहती है कि मैं उड़ रही हूँ? क्या मैं सुंदरता दिखा रही हूँ? क्या मैं पंख फैला रही हूँ? Does the तितली feel that she is being a तितली, या she is doing a तितली, she is flying? Because she is a तितली. That is the meaning of being. आज सूर्य जब चमकता है तो जो सूर्य कहता है आज बहुत थक गया, इतनी धूप दिखाई, थक गया। बीइंग का मतलब है इट इज यू। आज जब ए आर रहमान गाता है, सचिन तेंदुलकर बैट से खेलता है, कोई साइंटिस्ट जो है अपने इन्वेंशन को क्रिएट करता है, दैट इज योर बीइंग। बीइंग का मतलब है यू डोंट डू इट, इट इज यू, यू आर अ प्रोसेस। आपको उसको लेके लगता ही नहीं कि मैं गाना गा रहा हूँ, इफ यू आर अ सिंगर, मैं कोई म्यूजिक कंपोज कर रहा हूँ, इफ यू आर अ राइटर, मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ, मतलब योर बीइंग इज व्हाट यू आर। बीइंग का मतलब ये नहीं यू सिट लाइक दिस। बीइंग का मतलब है यू आर दैट प्रोसेस एंड यू हैव टेकन बर्थ टू रियलाइज विच प्रोसेस यू आर। तो जब आप ये अपना बॉडी का ईगो हटाओगे, माइंड का ईगो हटाओगे, सेंसेस का ईगो हटाओगे, धीरे धीरे जो आपका बीइंग है वो चमकता जाएगा। एंड देन यू रियलाइज आई एम नॉट द डूइंग, आई एम नॉट द थिंकिंग, आई एम नॉट द फीलिंग। और जब सब कुछ ही निकाल दोगे, डोंट वरी, सब कुछ नहीं निकल जाएगा, सब कुछ निकल जाएगा, यू विल बिकम जीरो। एंड देन यू बिकम जीरो, यू विल रियलाइज दिस इज एवरीथिंग, इट इज ऑल देयर इज। एंड दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ योग। योग का मतलब क्या है? यूनियन। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ योग? आपको पता है योग में क्या होता है? बेसिकली क्या होता है योग में? बेसिकली क्या होता है? सबसे पहले जो है हमारा बॉडी जो है वो अपना ईगो को डिस्ट्रॉय करता है, सरेंडर करता है। बॉडी मर्जेस विद द सोल, देन द माइंड मर्जेस विद द सोल। जैसे अभी हमने गणेश चतुर्थी की थी, व्हाट डिड वी डू विद गणपति आइडल? वी मर्ज इट विद द, पानी में डाल दिया, एंड योर सोल इज व्हाट? वाटर। तो हमने गणेश जी को डाल दिया पानी में। तो बेसिकली योग में यू हैव टू एक्चुअली सरेंडर योर बॉडी कंप्लीटली टू द सोल एंड एक्चुअली यू लिव विदाउट अ बॉडी। देयर इज नो डिस्टिंग्विशमेंट दैट आई हैव गॉट अ बॉडी। अपने आप बॉडी डिस्ट्रॉय होता है। देन आपका जो दुर्गा जी है, आपका शक्ति, आपका माइंड, उनको भी आप वर्शिप करते हो, ऑनर करते हो, एंड देन यू डिसॉल्व हर ऑल्सो इन द सोल. एंड फाइनली रावण आता है, दशहरा 10th डे पे रावण को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हो. उसका मद कहाँ होता है? उसकी नाभि पे. और मद को डिस्ट्रॉय करते हो, योर सेंसेस ऑल्सो गेट डिस्ट्रॉय. तो फाइनली आपका माइंड, बॉडी और जो सेंसेस हैं, they just, you realize, they just get destroyed because they are just tools for you to experience. And once these are destroyed, then you know yourself. फिर आपका self बचता है, and then the self mixes with the Paramatma. So this is about the crown chakra. So first understand that why do you have discontentment and hopelessness when things don't work in your favor? First is because you have got an illusion that you possess everything. So whenever things don't happen as per your thought, you develop a kind of discontent. Yes or no?
Yes.
So can we say that actually we have got a kind of expectation or a dependency on the consciousness? Our discontentment हमें क्यों होता है? Why do we have discontentment? Can we say it is because we have discontentment because we have a kind of expectation from the consciousness?
Yes.
और वो expectation पूरी नहीं होती, तो then what happens? We have got this discontentment. So can we say कि इसको के लिए don't you realize that we take things too personally? हम हर चीज को बहुत personally लेते हैं. We personalize ourselves. Today we don't get success. हमें लगता है हमारे लिए नहीं हुई है सक्सेस. We don't understand this universe works on formulas. There is nobody on top. ऊपर कोई जज नहीं बैठा है who likes partiality. तो देख नहीं रहा है कि ये संजय है, मुझे संजय नहीं पसंद, इसकी शक्ल नहीं पसंद, इसका भला नहीं करूंगा. ये है, मैं इसका भला नहीं करूंगा. See, it is a system. There is no partiality. But today understand, everybody is taking things personally. Every single person is taking things personally. मेरे साथ ये नहीं होता है. मैडम मैं बहुत मेहनत करता हूँ, इतना करता हूँ, सब कुछ करता हूँ, सबको मेरे कारण फायदा होता है, मेरे को नहीं मिलता है. So understand, इसका मीनिंग क्या है? We are taking things personally. तो सबसे पहले what we need to do is we have to release this habit of taking things personally. It has nothing to do with you, it has to do with your actions. This world works by systems. If you are not aligned, if your actions are not aligned, today you are a student writing your exam, your answers are not as per the requirement of the question, you will get a 0. It doesn't depend कि आप कितने अच्छे स्टूडेंट हो, कितना अच्छे गेम्स खेलते हो, कितना अच्छे फ्रेंड्स के साथ बिहेव करते हो, आपने कितनी चैरिटी दी है. इट इज अ सिस्टम. आपने 2+2 को 5 लिखकर आओ, आप कितनी भी चमचागिरी करो, कितने भी स्वीट बनो, यू विल गेट अ 0. So this day you start realizing, I don't want to take it personally. You release this habit of taking personally because it is your ego. हर सिचुएशन में बताते देख तो अनलकी है, तेरे साथ हुआ है. When you take it personally, what happens is you actually don't see कि मैंने क्या गलती की है, what I should do to improve it. So are we ready to release this habit of taking things personally?
Yes.
Are we ready to release this anger?
Yes.
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है, तो मेरे अंदर बहुत गुस्सा है, बहुत डिसकंटेंटमेंट है, सबसे बहुत नाराजगी है. I don't get what I deserve. I don't get what is due to me. I feel unlucky. Are we ready to release it?
Yes.
Because still you say नहीं it's okay. I feel unlucky. मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, शुरू से unlucky हूँ. Then so be it. Because in all spirituality we are taught that we have to be responsible creators. We have to be responsible creators. Your thoughts create things. Your affirmations create things. If you think you are unlucky, so be it. Okay? I think you are very sleepy. You please go out, wash your face and come back. Okay? Just go out for a minute. अच्छा, meditation में सुन रहे? Okay. So basically, we have to release this habit of taking things personally. We have to release this discontentment. क्योंकि see, basically it is a creation of an ego. जिस दिन आप एक्सेप्ट कर लोगे कि मेरे साथ बहुत खराब होता है, you never go for changes. आप बदलाव नहीं लाते हो, और बदलाव नहीं लाओगे. If you keep on doing the situation the same way, result will always be the same. To get a solution, you have to stop doing what you did before. You have to start looking at other things.